Welcome back to the Mod Addict. So today we're modding. I have something that Flashark sent me for this. So let's dive into it. So being new to the Coyote platform, the s197 platform, both at the same time, I've had people that are in the Coyote gang reach out to me. Hey, look out for this. Be on the lookout for this. One of the things that more than a few people have suggested is a catch can setup. Well, one of my partners, Flashark, they happen to have a catch can setup, and this is one that has like factory style connections and everything. It's not one of the basic rubber hoses and you figure it out. No, this actually has the fittings and stuff on the end. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So as you can see, Flashark catch can is not huge, don't need to be. Factory style fittings, like I said. There and there. And it's got a mount. So this is not just willy-nilly or wherever under your car or underneath the hood. It actually mounts somewhere. So I'll get to that in a minute. Here are your fittings, hose clamps, everything needed, and the actual catch can right here. Again, does not need to be huge. This is a baffled setup, inlet, outlet, the mounts on the top, drain on the bottom, and unlike the intake, this comes with detailed instructions. So, per the instructions, the bracket mounts to them too. Supposedly, it still works with a strut tower brace. I don't have a strut tower brace, so I don't know if it works or not, but just to show y'all, I don't know if I covered that, but I did paint the brackets that I made to hold my coolant overflow because PMOS wants arm and a leg for shipping and handling on a bracket that's as thin as a sheet of cardboard. But anyway, yeah, there we go. One of the things I don't see in the instructions, but it's pretty self-explanatory. If you notice, it's got these humps. It comes with these little spacers. That's to get it where it sets level over the hump that is right here, as you can see on that side on the front, right there. So now it sets level. So let's get this catch can itself mounted in there loosely so we can get it positioned. Right, so there it is. I left it loose so this can be turned and adjusted, and then we're gonna get this off, which is just these little tabs you pull over and down, and then you pull it up. You can tell it's already had a lot of oil in there. And undo that one, and then we'll get ready to put on the other line. And within, I don't know, 10 minutes, and that was with recording, here you go. It is installed. Kind of factory fitting lines going up to it. Everything looks great. Yeah, I love it. Love it. Just another, you know, added security. It's not going right into the intake manifold here. Now, I still have this one. A lot of people run a dual catch can setup. I am not doing that. From what I understand, this is the most important side. But yeah, I will probably eventually, when I get this actually put where it needs to be over here, I can run another setup over there. It's literally that simple. Like I said, it took me off 10 minutes. Thinking of starting a little series if I can get enough videos up, 10-minute mods, and going with that. Let me know if y'all guys would be interested in that. I don't know. Huge shout out to Flashark as usual. I'll leave a link in the description, and if this is something you might need, you know, it'll help the channel out a little bit. It'll show Flashark you have an interest in my channel, and you know, maybe they'll continue to support the channel. So I'll also have a discount code from Flashark for 15% off. So this economy, every little bit helps. But that's all for today. Just quick and easy. This is the Mod Addict, and I'm out of here.
Turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 60 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 60 bars. I won't turn around. I won't turn around. go, I'll never come.